Hey, what's up guys? So look at what I've got here, Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I've been watching a lot of videos of this watch and this thing is loaded. It has so many features. It got me really excited and I had to get it and review it myself. So this is the unboxing of Huawei Watch Fit Pro. I've already taken off the plastic. Let's see what the fuss is all about. And there it is. Okay, that's really nice. So you have a tab here, you lift it up and there it is, your watch, and you pull it out. Really nice presentation, really like it. So some paperwork here. Here, I'm guessing we have the charger. Yes, we have the charger and that's pretty much it. So let's take this stuff out. Wow, that's a hefty charger. That's such a big charger. And let me show you in comparison to what we get with the Amazfit Bip 6 and Amazfit Active 2 and Amazfit Active 2 Square. So this is the charger that comes with it, and this is the charger that came with this beast. So here it says that the charger included in the box is the fast charger, so we're gonna test that. So let's go through some of the specifications of this watch first. It has a 1.82-inch AMOLED display at the front with a resolution of 480 by 408 pixels and pixel per inch of 347, and this gets bright up to 3000 nits. That's the same level of brightness as the newly released Galaxy Watch 8. That's really some high-end stuff going on this watch. And it has an aluminum frame and titanium bezels, and we have a cover at the back as well. So let's take that off, and this is the back of the watch with all the sensors, and we have this button to remove the bands. That's really nice stuff. This is proprietary system to remove the bands, really easy to switch bands as well. So here we have the crown that you can rotate, and this works with the software. We have the button here, really high quality, and then on the other side we have our speakers. This is the mic, and I'm guessing this is the mic as well. I'm not sure which one is the actual mic. And then the band is really soft, and I think it will be very comfortable on the wrist. And the watch is really light. It has aluminum frame and titanium bezels, so it's built out of really high quality materials. Alright guys, the watch is finally connected to my phone. It took a bit of time. It was a bit of a hassle because I had to download the Huawei Health app through the browser, and finally I've done it and the watch is all configured and ready to go. This is the default watch face. It's pretty nice. It's very high quality, very sharp. I really like the colors. You can swipe down to go to your quick shortcuts, swipe up for your notifications, swipe right for smart assistants, and swipe left for all these different widgets. Now you can tap on this button to go to the App Store, and then you can use this rotating crown to go up and down through the apps. Really nice, and you can change it to the list view as well. And this thing is snappy. The software is really snappy. It's really quick and very responsive. Really like that. I'm gonna put it on my wrist and see how it looks. It has a huge 1.82-inch AMOLED panel, and the peak brightness is 3000 nits. So that's as good as the new Galaxy watches that I've just released today, Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 Classic and Ultra. So they also have the same 3000 nits brightness, and that should tell you everything you need to know about this display panel from Huawei. But I'm really enjoying using this rotating crown because it's really snappy. Look at how fast this thing is. If you go back, press on it, look at how fast you can go through the apps. This is just amazing how snappy and fast the software on this is. So these are some of the watch face options by default on the watch. This is the one that we see in all the official images. So I'm gonna go through all of these features in detail. If you wanna watch those videos, it's the best time to subscribe to the channel because I'll be going in a lot of detail about all of these features on this watch. That's about it for now from this video guys. This was the unboxing of Huawei Watch Fit Pro, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.